Gonna do an unboxing of the Surf On tablet Gen 3. It's running Android 11 Go edition. Not entirely for sure what that is, but I will find out. It's $100 and something bucks at Walmart. Here's the specs. I would not expect anything crazy from this. This is what you get in the box. Book. Quick start guide. Here's the tablet itself. You know, it doesn't feel like utter garbage as far as the weight goes. Rear facing camera, front facing camera. Now the back is a textured plastic. Okay. And then you get a Type-C charging cable and a power brick. That is everything in the box. $5V 2 amps. Type-C charging, micro SD expansion slot, power, and volume knobs. Go ahead and power it on. Oh, this thing is sluggish. And of course, once you connect to the Wi-Fi, we'll just set up offline. Dun, 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 yeah. Continue. We will skip this for now. All right. Only 32 gigs of internal storage. I mean, so far, just slightly messing with it. Seems kind of, you know, what you'd expect for $100. It'd be fine for a child or someone who just wants something to watch Netflix and YouTube videos on. But, alright, here's the unboxing video. Techmaster170, signing out.